Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you? How's the go?
Safe.
Good.
Um,
Good afternoon. Yes, finally. So the previous chapter is done and finished, completed properly, right?
yes, ma'am.
It's all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in that chapter?
No,
Anything you
ma'am.
want to ask?
Good afternoon,
ma'am.
Good afternoon, Zara. Good afternoon, Kanak. I'll just share my screen with you for the new chapter.
Ma'am, what will be the last date for the submission of the project?
I like that
Ma'am, I
process
had
we have
made.
time for. Just hold your horses for now. I'll tell you about that. Okay. We'll do an activity related to media and all. Once let's go complete the syllabus first because those chapters we can do an answer. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I thought you were only asking about the project. So, ma'am, I on Sunday only I made the project. You are saying that you have to show your creativity, so I have made one drawing.
You
with
have made
colors
it
of-
already.
Yes, ma'am, because I think you will scold me like previously.
Sanya, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, can I bring my book?
Yeah, please be ready.
Ma'am, I'm saying,
Yes, Sanya.
ma'am, I'm saying I have made already my project because ma'am, I'm thinking that you'll again scold me like previously. So on Sunday only I made.
It's not like that I'm gonna scold you something. It's good, no? Like once I've given you a timeline, only then I have the right to tell you that why have you not done it. If I have not only given the timeline, then I do not have any right to tell you that why have you not done this or that.
Mama, you are saying that we have to show our creativity, so I had made one drawing.
Nice, good. Fine. So girls, please be ready with the chapter media. Understanding media. Very nice chapter. Easy, very easy chapter for you to understand. So which we have always liked. We have always found it easier than the rest of the subjects. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this chapter is indeed very easy. Because media is something which our life is completely dependent upon. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
I'm saying media is one thing on which our life is completely dependent upon. Nowadays, we like media has become as important as our internal organs, isn't it? Can we survive without
Yes,
Yes,
media?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
How will we
No,
take
ma'am.
online classes without media, without means of this, right? So yes, it has become very, very important in today's world. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
It is. Okay, children. So I'm gonna share my screen with you now, and we are gonna start with it. So what do you mean by media? Before we begin with the class, before we begin with the chapter, I want to take your inputs on it. What do you understand by media? What is your concept of media? Yes, Zara.
Social media.
Ma'am, the technology we can say is like media.
Okay, the technology. Okay, what else you know about media?
Ma'am, can we call like internet?
Internet. These are known as what do we don't they call them the means of communication, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, media refer to the means of communication to share their views, ideas, suggestion, or so on.
Right. Okay. And as we have already discussed that in today's world, media has become an integral part of our society and of our life as well. Why? Why has it become so important, kids?
Ma'am, like we can't like
And due
live
to the
without it.
technology,
Second,
like,
it's a habitual.
It's
yes,
not
ma'am, because
only
we are having
it's not like that we have become habitual of it. It has become a necessity now because very integral activities, our daily activities are completely dependent upon media now, aren't they? Don't you think so?
Yes, ma'am.
They are,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Like our life has become completely dependent upon it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we'll begin with it. Hello, Prapti, how are you? Yes, let me do the adjustments. So, Prapti. We have not met Prapti, right? You have not attended the online
You
offline
have
class.
met me.
Yes, Prapti?
I have met you in offline class.
Offline class. Okay. Fine then. Sorry. Is my screen visible to you kids?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's begin. As you can see here, they said that newspapers, radio, television, magazines, internet, films, letters, posters, emails, public meetings, etc. All these are the common means of communication. Means of communication is something which we started reading in class 3 onwards only, right? 3 or 4?
Yes, ma'am.
We read it back then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are the means of communication. What do we mean by means of communication? The way in which we express our ideas or feelings to the other people are known as the means to which we do all this are known as the means of communication, right? Kids?
Communication.
And we also read that further we have divided these means of communication into two categories. What were they, kids? It is not given in the book. It is we have read it previously. I'm just checking your previous knowledge. What were those two means of communication?
Ma'am, telephone. Ma'am,
What is the name
radio.
given to those two means of communication?
Ma'am, may you repeat the question?
What are the two means of communication we have read about in the previous classes? If I'm calling you, if I'm calling Paridhi to express my views, one means of communication is just a telephone. I called her and I talked to her, or I emailed her and I talked to her. One, I went on a TV show and I'm like whatever I want to convey, all my thoughts are being conveyed live to n number of people. That is also means of communication, right? Isn't it? Tiana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it
It
is.
is. But then what's the difference between the two? What's the difference between me and Paidi talking, communicating? What's the difference between me communicating to a larger audience through television? Children, this is very easy. How can you not know this?
Ma'am,
No,
please
what?
repeat, your voice is actually not coming.
I'm asking about communication, right? We have read about communication.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means of communication. Communication. Right? Or we called it means of communication. Right, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we also read that we have also divided these into two types. Personal means of communication and
Ma'am, letter and email.
first there was personal means of communication, there was means of mass communication. Haven't you heard of this term? Tell me, children.
Yes, ma'am. Mass communication, like in a huge scale kind.
Right. So we have read about these two ways. One means was personal communication, like letters, telephone, emails, messages, SMS. All these come under the category of personal
Ma'am,
communication.
can we say a voicemail also comes in the under the category of mass
Obviously,
communication?
a voicemail also comes under the category of personal communication because we are sending that voicemail to just one person individually, right? That will also come under the category of personal communication. But if I am printing the news on a newspaper, if I'm telecasting it on TV or broadcasting it on a radio, then it's not a means of personal communication. Then it becomes means of mass
Ma'am, like
communication because I am
mass.
conveying my ideas to masses. A lot of people are known as masses, right, kids?
Yes, ma'am, on a huge scale.
Yeah, on a huge scale. Okay, so this is what the two means of communication were, and all these things which we talked about here, like like radio, televisions, magazines, internet, meetings, etc. Right? All are collectively they all are termed as medias. Right? Here you can also see in your book also they have given today as well. Right? It's not like things have been changed. They have said some of these are meant for personal use while others are meant for communicating with the masses. Right, kids? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what is media? Collectively, they are termed as media. So media is the plural form of the word medium. Media is the plural form of the word
Medium.
medium. And it refers to ways in which we can communicate in the society, right? The different ways in which we are able to communicate in the society are known as media. What are they known as?
Media.
Media. Haven't you seen people referring to the news reporters as media wale aa gaye, media wale, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All these people media wale because they are gonna telecast the things, right? They are the medium of our communication. They are the medium of the communication between one, like people living in one part of area with the rest of the world, right? So everything ranging from meeting to the programs you watch from meeting, like if we are meeting, this is also media. We are using the internet, we're using the Zoom meeting. This is also media. So everything from a public meeting, somebody's like the politicians, like elections are overhead. The politicians are doing rallies and meetings. They are also a form of media communication, exchange of ideas. From the television shows which we watch, everything is termed as media. Is it clear?
Media.
Have you understood what
Yes,
media
ma'am.
is?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Here we can see one more thing, that while the emails and internet are means of personal communication, right? Emails, internet, or we can also say like telephone, SMS, all these are means of personal communication, whereas the things such as newspapers, magazines, television, radio, and films are means of mass communication because they reach a large audience. And that's why the term mass media is used for public communication. What is it used for? Public communication.
Public
If you
communication.
people
Public
know, if
communication.
you people are aware, then you know that now apart from doing their UG and PG in science, technology, in mathematics, economics, people also do UG and PG in mass communication. Have you heard of it? People doing the
Yes,
graduation in mass communication. People have done a
Yes,
PG
ma'am.
diploma in
Yeah.
mass communication, right? So now this field have developed to such an extent that people have started taking it up as a study as well, right? And according to the NEP, very soon such subjects will be added in your curriculum too, right, kids? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood what is the meaning of the term media? Everybody has
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. Right, children. So shall we move further? Harshdeep, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where has it gone? Right, kids. So now let's talk about the changing technology. Right. So as you know that technology, just a minute, I need to reshare it, kids. Only 4 children have joined in this class. My goodness. Only 4. Why?
And in last class, this is only different.
In maths class, how many were there?
Ma'am, less students join in our class.
In
Ma'am,
maths
Rishu is
class, how
already
many were there?
saying you that.
How many were there in maths class?
Ma'am, this much only, or just one more student
No,
was
ma'am.
there.
Ma'am, Brinda and Rishu over there.
Okay, fine. So now we have to talk about the changing technology. Right, kids? What do we have to talk about? Changing technology. As you know, what do you think, children? Let's not go too far. We will not go too far. Let's talk about a year or two ago. 2 years ago, was the technology as the same the way it is now? Let's talk about 2019. Were the things the same in 2019 regarding technology?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In
No,
these
ma'am.
2 years only, in these 2 years during the COVID time, things have changed drastically, right, kids? Things have actually changed drastically. We have seen a drastic change in media and in technology as well, right? Everything came online, from purchasing and buying and selling of things to meetings to classes. Even our school has come online. We have not even thought of it in our rarest dreams. Have you ever thought of it that something like this will happen?
No, ma'am.
You will be
Ma'am, I'm
taking the
just
school,
thinking
you will
maybe
be
it will.
attending the school with the
Hope it will
comfort of your
happen.
blanket and your pillow at your home. No,
No, ma'am.
we never thought of it. But no matter how much cranky we are
Ma'am,
being,
I thought of it.
but we should actually be thankful to technology, right, kids?
Yes.
Just imagine if technology would not have been there, you would have completely wasted the past 2 years, right? You would not have been able to attend the classes, you would not have been able to take up the school, right? And those
Yes.
2 years would have been completely wasted. So yes, this technology has actually came up as a boon to us, that we are able to survive the pandemic as well as take up our education and go on with the, like many people are always also going on with their jobs, right? Okay, at least the economy is also not hampering much, right? Yes, Parigi read changing technology.
Okay, ma'am. Various types of plays in different cultures were probably the first form of mass media. This was followed by transmittal of information and knowledge, VIA, written content of paper. The invention of the printing press by
Parigi is
Ma'am, her voice is not coming.
she's getting disconnected again and again. I don't know what is the problem. Yes, Zara, you continue.
Ma'am, from changing technology.
Hmm.
Okay. Media is the plural form of the word medium, and it refers to the different ways in which we can
It
communicate
is
in the
changing
society.
technology. You have to read from
Okay,
various
ma'am.
types of plays in different cultures.
Okay, ma'am. Changing technology. Various types of plays in different cultures were probably the first form of mass media. This was followed by transmittal of information and knowledge via written content on paper. The invention of the printing press, uh, Johnson Gutenberg, in the year 1453, brought a revolution in the way information was transmitted. It led to the development of the print media that communicates through printed content on paper. For example, newspapers, books, magazines, etc. However, printing books was quite expensive. Hence, printed material was could not be used as mass media for a couple of centuries. Newspaper were also introduced as early as the 15th century, but they became easily available to the masses only in the 19th century.
Thank you, Zara. So, as Zara read and told us that various types of plays in different cultures, you might be aware of it, like during the time of kings or queens, or even during the freedom movement, everybody was not educated back then, right? Everybody was not able to read and write, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And
Yes,
they need to pass on some knowledge to the people. Okay, it's okay, Pariti, it's not your fault. Maybe the net is having some sort of problem, right? So people need to be people need to be shared the knowledge. Okay, knowledge must be shared with the people about the virtuous deeds of the kings and the queens. So various things needs to be told to the people. So such things, like, people were educated back then with the help of plays, right? Various types of plays were done in different cultures. So those plays were the first form of mass media. With the help of those plays, like, information or ideas are provided to a large number of people at the same time, right? And these plays things was followed by transmittal of information and knowledge via written content on paper. After this, when people learned to read and write, then they started writing things on paper. In the beginning, they started writing on birch bark, manuscripts, and later on they came to paper, right? So the printing press, I want you to highlight this. Okay, the printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the year 1453. And this invention brought a revolution in the way information was transmitted. Can you tell me why this one printing press brought a revolution? Things were being written back as well. पहले भी तो इसने लिखी जा ही रही थी ना, before the invention of this
yes,
printing
ma'am.
press. How come this invention brought such a revolution? Why?
Ma'am, maybe at that time the notes they were handwritten.
Right, very good, Zara. Before the invention of printing press, things were handwritten. And yes, you can write by hand. Many of them can be made to sit together and they can write. But again, how many copies will you be able to make? Few hundreds, right? Not more than that. And hundreds are also, I'm saying, a very long, very, very huge number. Person will not be able to write these many copies. But with the invention of the printing press, it was just a piece of cake. Just you prepare one draft, you prepare a draft, and the rest will get printed like anything. Right, kids? As you know that in the printing machine, at one go you can print n number of copies. Right, children? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, many.
Many can be done. Okay, so this was one
Ma'am, do you know one
revolution
thing?
which came with the help of this, right? With the help of printing press. Now, to the development of print media that communicates through printed content on paper, right? Now, this invention of a printing machine led to the development of print media. Can you give me an example of print media, children? Can you give me an example of print media?
Ma'am, the newspapers.
Newspapers, books, right?
Newspapers.
Right. Now people begin communicating through printed content on paper, for example, newspaper, books, magazines, etc. Right? However, printing books back then was quite expensive, right? It was not cheap. It was quite expensive. So it used to take a hand and an arm back then, right? An arm and a leg to get the things printed. Hence, printed material could not be used as mass media for a couple of centuries. Now, newspaper is so cheap, we get it for 5 to 10 rupees. But back then, it was not. Back then, when something newly comes, right, then it is obviously expensive. So, printing was expensive. That is why printing could not be used as mass media for a very long period of time, right? Newspapers were also introduced as early as the 15th century. The newspaper भी आए हैं, वो कब आए हैं? 15th century में आ गए थे. They were introduced in 15th century, but now you can see the difference of 30 years. Like, sorry, 30, more than 30, around 400 years. They were introduced in 15th century, but they became easily available to the masses only in the 19th century. Right? So around after 400 years, they were easily available to the masses. Masses here refers to what, children? Girls? Masses refer to
Ma'am,
what?
Yes,
what? Ma'am, I was not able to hear you.
I'm asking, what do you mean by masses? What does masses refers to?
ma'am, just
Ma'am,
like it's
like
same as
more
mass.
mass.
Sarah?
Ma'am, it's just same as mass only. It's just the plural form of it.
Of what? What do you mean
Ma'am,
by
of mass.
what do you mean by
Video.
mass?
Ma'am, ma'am, like a
Ma'am, like
huge
large amount.
communication on a huge scale.
Large number of people, right? Masses or mass refers to a large number of people. Okay. That is what mass communication is, no? Communicating to a large number of people, communicating to the masses, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Sorry. Yes, Sanya, read. Sanya,
I'm having cough, so ma'am, if I'll read, you will not be able to
yes,
hear.
Sanya, you can read. Harsh, beta, you read. Harsh, please, you read. Harshdeep, can you hear me? Harshdeep, are you there in the class? Okay, Paridi, you read better.
Okay, ma'am. During the 20th century, the growth of mass media was driven by technology that allow massive duplication of material. Technology such as printing records, pressing, and film led to the duplication of book, newspaper, and film at low prices for a large number of people. Radio and television entered the field of mass media as electronic media, which could duplicate and transmit information technological. Thus, on the base of the technology used, mass media come to the classified as print media and electronic media. All India Radio, now known as what is this?
As Akashvani,
Akashvani in the yes, ma'am, Akashvani in the radio broadcaster of the government of India, and Doordarshan is the government funded
funded.
television.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Government funded.
Government funded television service broadcast.
Right. Okay. So as she read, and then she told us that media, mass media was no further classified into two different forms, which were print media and electronic media. Right, kids? Can we say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. The first division we read was of personal communication and mass communication. Mass communication and mass media almost means the same thing, right? Right, kids? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Now, we saw that in 20th century, during 20th century, mass media's growth was driven by technology, which allowed massive duplication of material. Like we were so technologically diverse that we could duplicate books, newspapers in a number of ways, right? Even films and everything. Now, when and that too at very low prices. Like if you see nowadays, also newspapers and books are available to us at very low prices, which we can easily afford, right? So after this, what happened is that two new things came, which were radio and television. Radio and television entered this field as electronic media, right? Now, what is the difference between the previous one, between the printing factories and these electronic media? Can you tell me? Zara, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the electronic media, like we can say TV, radio.
They were able to copy, duplicate, or transmit information electronically, right? Whereas newspapers, books, and they were all doing it through the medium of print only, not electronically, right?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Right. So we have only 3 children, 2 children in the class right now. Wow. Great. Okay, fine. Right now we had it only in two forms. So on the basis of this only, we divided mass media into two categories, which came to be known as print media and electronic media,
Electronic.
as you can see here. Right, kids? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So All India Radio. What is All India Radio? Have you heard the name of it?
Ma'am, I have heard the
Ma'am,
name
yes,
of it.
ma'am.
It's a radio station.
Yes. All India Radio is also known as Akashvani. What is it known as?
Akashvani.
If you have seen any
Akashvani.
movies which are depicting the earlier times, and you might have seen like how excited people used to be about the radios. They used to be clutched to the radios when they come, right? To listen to it, what is happening, what's going on. Okay, because that was something new for them. So Akashvani is the radio broadcaster of Government of India, right? It was launched by the Government of India on the behalf of the Government of India. It used to broadcast various shows, information, news, and everything to the people, right? Okay.
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am.
What's Sanya?
Ma'am, what you are saying, I'm not able to hear.
I'm saying that All India Radio was a government, right? Was a radio broadcaster of the Government of India. Okay, as per the directions of the Government of India, they used to broadcast information, news, music, and various things to all the citizens of India, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
able to hear me, Sanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Then you must have also heard of Doordarshan girls. Have you heard what is Doordarshan? Have you ever seen Doordarshan channel?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, maybe yes. Ma'am, maybe yes, I heard.
Yes, even
Ma'am,
last
is it
week
a
during
movie?
the lockdown. During the lockdown, Doordarshan again got very popular when they started telecasting the Ramayana and all. Everybody in the families are watching all that on that, right? And Doordarshan was, if you ask your parents, they'll tell you about Doordarshan. It was the first television channel of India, right? Before all these channels came up, there was only one channel which used to be telecasted on television. It was Doordarshan. Okay. Ask your
Okay,
parents
ma'am.
about it. They'll tell you a lot of information. Will give you a lot of information. It was a
Ma'am,
government.
as to my mother, she says it's a government channel.
It was, and it is still. It is a government-funded channel. The government provides funds for the working of the channel, right? And it used to telecast various shows, various programs, even news and everything on television. Okay, just like Akashvani works for the radio on the behalf of the government, Doordarshan works on television, right?
Ma'am, I have one fact about the radio I saw on YouTube Shorts, ma'am. That, ma'am, previously I forgot the year. They are saying that when polio infection jab aaya tha, so at that time, if students are at home, so they are not be able to study. So they are studying with the help of radio.
Oh wow.
Ma'am, I'm shocked by listening that like this time happened previously also.
Exactly. No, they say it rightly that the history repeats itself. Okay. Like, and
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
everybody has a way of taking revenge. Like when I told you people while teaching about the natural vegetation chapter that Baba, we did not take care of the environment. We did not take care of them. And let's see what's happening now. The environment is
Yes,
taking care of itself by locking it in our, by locking us in our homes. Right, kids?
yes.
That's what.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have to read about the electronic media. So what do you know by the electronic media? Tell me that. Very easy. Right now we are
Ma'am,
studying with the help of print media or electronic
Yes,
media or both. Tell me.
ma'am,
ma'am,
electronic media.
electronic media with the phone.
Don't you think so? We are using the book as well. We are using the computer as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have combined both the media, both the resources, both the sources of electronic and print media as well. Yes, please read it, Zara.
Okay, ma'am. Electronic media communicates or transmit news, information, or content through electronic technology. In recent years, we have seen further technological growth in electronic media. The internet and cable television are the new buzzwords which have reached a large number of people and are still growing. With each advancement in electronic media, there is an immense improvement in the quality of images, and sounds that are transmitted. At the same time, the reach of the electronic as well as print media keeps on expanding more than ever before.
If we talk about electronic media, so children, do you remember the first phones you have used? Do you remember the first cell phone which you have used?
They were like keypad phones.
Yeah, the small, the tiny ones with the keypads, right? And they were completely black and
Yes,
white.
ma'am.
They were not colored, right, kids?
Ma'am, they were not colored?
Have you used those keypad Nokia which were not colored, which just had a green background and the black font? Have you used those
No,
ones?
ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
I'll show you. Wait. Just give me a moment. Um,
I'm able to see the blue screen.
okay, I'm showing. Give me a moment.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a meeting. See, these were the kind of mobile phones to be used first. Although there are many of them, so even I have not seen. Okay.
Ma'am, there was like a snake game that we could play.
Yeah, they used to be a snake
Ma'am, I've
game.
played. Ma'am,
Right.
that Nokia phone, I remember.
Yeah, this is the kind of one I was telling you. Like this, like can you see the screen of these phones?
That's like a
Yes,
walkie-talkie.
ma'am, but ma'am, I haven't seen that.
Like see, they were not colored, and you can just even look the kind of screen they have. Right, just such a small screen. These ones too I have seen. Right, this is how the phones were initially. Can you see these? These are the PNG.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, this one I haven't seen, like these type of with this.
This is how like very infamous Nokia. There were these first, right? So now you can look at these, and I have seen, like I've witnessed this in my living life. Now you can see the drastic change which has come in technology. Now from this, if we
Yes.
let's just see the evolution of mobile phones. It will be a great sight to watch, right? Let's see the evolution of the mobile.
Ma'am, that looked like a walkie-talkie.
Yeah, it used to be like this. Like it's like just see this picture. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
1983, 1993, 1996, 98, 2000. Then the BlackBerry came with the broader screen. Then the foldable phones came, as you can see here. Then the iPhone was launched in 2007. Okay, and then the screen, the big screen phones came, and now we are at 2011 and so on. Like you can see the evolution of mobile phone from 1983 to 2019. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, it's
Right?
changed.
So this is what when we talk about electronic media, and that's what we talk about, like how the growth of electronic media has, we have seen it by ourselves. With our eyes, we have seen, like just see. From this to this, like from such a long keypad to no keypad, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this is what we mean about like whenever we talk about this electronic media. So in recent years, we have seen further technological growth in electronic media, and now the internet has changed our world upside down, right? Earlier, when there was a project, we used to rush to the libraries, look in the books. Okay, this is the information we have to collect, that we have to collect. But now what do? We simply open a Google, type it out,
And then search.
right? So that's what the changes have come. Now the meeting is about to end. We'll continue this topic further. And girls, please believe me, this topic is going to be very interesting because, like I tell you in civics, it's very easy for us to relate to our environment. And like just you saw, we recently related a lot, right, children?
Yes.
You must have gone to the nostalgia for a minute, no? About the kind of phones the parents used to have. And we used to ask them to please lend us our phone. We want to play the game, right?
And now we are playing.